Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to PG Ka Pathshala, and we are back with our post-market report of Tuesday, which is 2nd of May. Now we had a 3 days long weekend. So let's see how the chart looks like. So this is Nifty daily chart. So see this Doji candle we have formed today. So Doji candle we have discussed earlier also. This last candle, as you can see here. So this candle, right? So the upper week and lower week both are there, and in between open and high, open, high, close, more or less. Sorry, not open and high. The open and close 18,125 and 18,147. So slight green, not exactly. We cannot say this entirely doji because it is still 23 points, but it has relatively higher upper week than the lower week. So there was pressure at the top. Okay. Now, how does the RSI look? 73.33. It is still going up. So it doesn't look like, looks like there is no visible downward sloping RSI. So see here. So it's still sort of, slightly going up. Okay. And this pink line, even though one thing we saw in earlier post market report also, that this pink line, so this here the pink line, this pink line earlier also this has proved to be some sort of resistance. So abhi dekhte hai 18200 in the whiteboard video, which I published in the weekend, where I showed you that so many times whenever Nifty has touched 18,000 in a month, either in the same month or in the next 2, 3, 4 months, Nifty has corrected quite sharply. ठीक है, तो हम लोग ने we saw that it went to 18,600 से लेके 15,200 गया था, फिर 18,900 से 16,800 गया, then in between also 18,250 से 17,350, 18,130 से 17,200, something like that. So ऐसे बड़ा बड़ा करेक्शन हुआ है 18,000 के ऊपर जब भी मार्केट ट्रेडिंग किया है. ठीक है, तो देखते हैं, मतलब in the past also it has happened. That doesn't mean that this time also it will happen. So every in stock market there is nothing constant. Things keep on evolving. Let's see the hourly chart also, Nifty. See whether in the shorter time frame chart some kind of a fatigue is getting noticed. It does use period. Yep, yep. So hourly time frame there is slight downward slope. So as we discussed in one of the earlier post-market reports, that when reversal comes, first is the smaller time frame charts which first starts to get reversed. But unless your longer term charts are not reversing, the smaller term reversals usually do not last very long. Okay, they're very short term blips. Like for example, now see this downward sloping RSI, Nifty hourly chart. Okay. Now the thing is that unless this downward slope gets reflected in the daily chart, and then later on again, 5 or 3, 4 days later, if it gets reflected in the weekly chart, then only we can say with confidence that the market may sort of come like this down, okay, and test these zones. But at this moment, unless your daily and weekly RSIs don't really start sloping too much down, only it remains downward sloping at the hourly level itself, it is not a big cause of concern for the bulls. Okay, not a big cause of concern for the bulls. So I will write here hourly RSI sloping downwards, not a big cause of worry for bulls, unless it gets reflected daily and then weekly, तो hourly में थोड़ा downward sloping it has started showing. Let's see what about bank nifty. Bank nifty hourly. Again bank nifty hourly 63.77. This is even weaker. तो इसमें तो बैंक निफ्टी का आवरली में थोड़ा बहुत वीकनेस तो आया है. See this slope is a bit sharp than nifty. Let's see the daily. Red candle, red doji. So nifty we saw was a green doji kind of thing, whereas in the bank nifty it's a red doji. Okay, so see, let's see. Okay, 76.06. So Delhi is still 76. Okay, so once again it's the same thing. So hourly, even though it is showing downward slope, but Delhi में उसका effect नहीं आया है. So what happens is usually that if we have 3-4 consecutive red hourly RSI daily slopes downward. Same with if we have 2 day red candles, it gets reflected in downward sloping weekly RSI. So it depends upon how much also we are falling. Like say for example, in one day we fell for 300 points. Okay, so immediately it will have a reflection of downward slope of the weekly RSI. Okay, so how much we are falling, that is important. So 2 दिन में 100 points गिरा, so then after 2 days we will see a slight downward slope. But if one day only 300 points we are falling, then larger time frame में उसका effect ज़्यादा quickly होता है. ठीक है, सिमिलर विद आवरली एंड डेली ऑल्सो. अगर 2-3-4 घंटा में 400 पॉइंट गिर रहा है तो आवरली थोड़ा थोड़ा स्लोप करेगा नीचे. बट अगर एक ही दो घंटा में 400-500 पॉइंट गिर गया तो आवरली क्विकली नीचे आ जाएगा. सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन द मोमेंटम विद व्हिच वी आर फॉलोइंग. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द कंक्लूजन टुडे बेसिकली. सो आवरली आरएसआई में वीकनेस creeping in, but अभी तक we need, I mean, peers need more thrust, to keep it pushing, sort of, so the bears need to win more hours. So as of now, bears are probably on 1 or 2 hours. They need to win 2, 3, 4 hours more in order to, keep the momentum of the longer time frames also start to enable them to move downward. As of now, no reason for worry from the bulls. So hope you like this explanation. I will write in the description also. Thanks for watching. Have a nice evening and have a good trading day. Thank you.